Welcome to another Zippo review. This Zippo came in the mail like a couple days ago. Same as the other review I did on the Starburst. Yeah, so let's see it. This is the Zippo. Yeah. Alright. Wait. See how this looks. This was $34.95. Zippo. Move the box. And it has kind of a nice texture to it. Like it feels like it's like plastic, kind of like a hard plastic. But it's metal though. You can actually feel that it's metal, obviously. You know? This is brass. They have a different version of it. I don't know. Yeah. So these are actually all the logos of the different years from like 1800. I don't know, whatever. That's all the different logos. You see the bottom one? The bottom logo matches exactly with that logo on the bottom right there. Yellow sticker, orange, whatever. So, let's take the sticker off. Alright, so I got the sticker off. See how it sounds? It sounds pretty good. Oh, my phone is acting up with the camera. Let's check this out. It's not focusing. I have no clue why. Alright, maybe because of the lighting, I don't know. But anyways, this Zippo was made in... It was made in... Why is it not focusing? Let me see if it's the lighting or something. Anyways, it was made in 2009, and it's D. So D, and like Daniel, or whatever. So, the insert, made in 2009 of F. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe. See you in the next video. Oh, now it's focusing. 2009 of D.